Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to run Whisper AI completely offline on your own computer with no file size limits and total privacy? Let me show you how. First you need Python installed downloaded from python.org. Get version 3.8 to 3.11 and check add Python to path during installation. Second, install ffmpeg. This is essential for audio processing. On Windows use Chocolatey or download from ffmpeg is bed, or on Mac run brew install ffmpeg. On Linux run sudo apt install ffmpeg. Third, open your terminal or command prompt and install Whisper by running pip install openai-whisper. To verify installation, run whisper-help. Now transcribe your first audio file, navigate to your audio folder and run whisper your -file.emp3. Whisper will generate a txt, sort, and WAT files in the same folder as your audio. Choose your model for better accuracy, use -- model medium or large. These slews are slower but much more accurate than the default base model. For faster transcription on CPU, use faster-whisper instead. Install it with pip install faster-whisper. Pro tip, use -- language N for English or -- language is for Chinese to improve accuracy. And that is it. You now have a free private offline transcription tool running on your computer with no monthly limits. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.